Hi there, and welcome to Playful AI, Rapid Skills Development Made Fun. My name is Nora Green, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a student curious about technology, a small business owner looking for tools to grow, or someone simply interested in learning something new, this course is for you. And don't worry, no technical skills or experience are needed. All you need is curiosity and a sense of fun. Now, let's take a moment to think about how technology has changed our world. Imagine a world without smartphones, smart assistants, or even your favorite streaming services like Netflix. These tools make life easier, and they're powered by AI. By understanding the basics of AI, you'll not only be able to use these technologies better, but also unlock creative ways to use AI in your daily life. AI is everywhere. Whether you're asking Siri for the weather, getting shopping recommendations on Amazon, or using Google Maps to find the fastest route. Second, AI tools are now more accessible than ever, with many free or low-cost platforms you can start using right away. Finally, learning about AI is empowering. It gives you the ability to automate tasks, solve problems in new ways, and even grow your business or personal projects. In this course, we'll demystify AI by explaining what it is and how it works. Then, you'll get hands-on experience with fun, beginner-friendly tools like Teachable Machine to create your own AI projects. We'll explore how AI can help small businesses save time and grow, and how it can spark creative problem-solving. You'll also learn how to use AI for social media, automate everyday tasks, and even experiment with tools like ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming. Here's what you'll learn in this course. First, we'll demystify AI and show you how it works. Then, you'll get hands-on with tools like Teachable Machine and Lobe.ai to create fun projects. We'll explore how AI can help businesses grow by automating tasks and improving customer experiences. You'll also learn how to solve problems creatively, manage social media like a pro, and save time with simple automations. By the end, you'll have the confidence to use AI in ways that fit your life and goals. By the time we're done, you'll have a solid understanding of AI and practical skills you can use right away. Whether it's for a personal project, a creative idea, or a small business, you'll discover that AI is a tool that can truly make a difference. The possibilities are endless, and this course is just the beginning of your journey. So, are you ready to dive in and see what AI can do for you? Let's get started with Playful AI, Rapid Skills Development Made Fun. Together, we'll unlock the potential of AI and have a great time doing it.